Now time for a full look at your forecast, and today is a severe weather alert day because we do have some areas of thunderstorms just to the south and east of Morgantown. Even have possibly what could be a little bit of a hail core just to the west of the Reedsville area along US 19 in Marion County. Also places just to the north of Mannington starting to see a good bit of that thunderstorm and lightning activity as well. Even a hail core well off to our west over portions of Wetzel County. That looks like a pretty strong storm. Now, none of these are severe. However, that could change as we go over the course of the evening and overnight. And we'll talk about those threats in just a second. But first, as we zoom this out, the reason for that is we've got this warm air core sliding into north central West Virginia, and that's going to be creating some of those pop-up thunderstorms. Now, the good news is we've been cloudy most of the day. So this is a day today where you don't want the sun out, because if you have that sunlight, you have that instability in the atmosphere that could fire up quite a bit of those severe thunderstorms. And we do have a slight risk for severe weather. That's depicted in this yellow color. That's mainly along and north of US 50. Areas south of US 50 along US 33 are more of a marginal risk, which means that we could be seeing strong gusty winds as well as some hail involved with some storms. The tornado threat is minuscule, but it is not zero, so we could see a brief, very brief spin up. And there is Morgantown on our first alert weather cam again, where they just had that heavy rain and lightning slide on through. Now it's more of a light rain, as you see outside of University Toyota along Don Knotts Boulevard. There you see that glare of the road, meaning that the road is kind of slick, so you may want to take it easy outside this evening. Tonight we're going to be in those upper 60s. We are going to be seeing thunderstorms with that frequent lightning as well. Some of that could have hail as well as strong winds. As we take a look at our hour-by-hour model, by the time we get to 11 o'clock, I think we're going to start to simmer down just a little bit. We're targeting mainly 8 to around 9, 10 o'clock as the best time for some of those thunderstorms. Sunday, we could be seeing a little bit more in the way of rain as well, and that could create a bit of a flooding threat. But by the time we get to Monday morning, we do start to dry out. However, we are going to have a case of the Monday muggies with temperatures in those mid-80s. Tuesday looks mostly sunny, as well as this coming Friday, which would be 2 great days for baseball. And for that, we're going to pass things over to